Hey guys, I've been using the Earthling Co shampoo and conditioner bars for over a year now, and I genuinely love bar shampoo and conditioner because of this company. So one of the biggest things that I appreciate is that they're non-toxic and they're made with clean, natural ingredients. They're free from sulfates, silicone, phthalates, and parabens, which was really important to me when I was switching away from traditional bottled products. They do have a number of different scents that you can pick from, and they are all so good. And after making the switch, I feel that my hair definitely feels softer and more manageable now. And I know a lot of people think that bar shampoos don't lather well, but I haven't found that to be the case at all with the Earthling Co. I think it's really easy to get a nice lather, and your hair does feel really healthy and clean afterwards. So I currently have on hand the Vanilla Coconut Shampoo and Conditioner and the Simply Fresh Shampoo Bar. This is what they look like. It's the shampoo bar and the conditioner. And I just think that all the scents are great. They just smell clean and fresh, which is definitely what you want when you're looking for a non-toxic product. And these bars last me quite a while, so I love that. But one of the biggest things is that I've tried some other products, and when you get to the end of the bar, they start falling apart and breaking. These do not do that. So I love that about this company. So definitely if you're looking to make the switch to bar shampoo and conditioner, this is a really great company to go with, and I highly recommend them.